Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. This time we're on Wondershare Filmora. We're going to be looking at one of their new game-changing features that recently rolled out with the Filmora 14 update. It's called Smart Short Clips. In a nutshell, with just a click of a few buttons, you can take any long-form video and pull viral short-form clips from it. For those unfamiliar, Filmora 14 is a user-friendly video editing software with AI-enhanced features for easy, professional, quality video production. The Smart Short Clips feature is perfect for talking head style videos or really any long-form video that's full of key moments that are waiting to be discovered and shared in real time. This is huge for content creators that are looking to turn their long-form content into short, engaging, essentially done for you clips that can easily repurpose as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks. All right, and with just a few short steps, we're going to be off to the races today. We're going to get fired up. If you don't already have Wondershare Filmora 14 downloaded, head on over to the description. The link is going to be in the description, and you can actually get started for free. So they do have a free trial right now. We're going to do that right here. All right, this is going to take us through the process of downloading everything onto our computer. So just go ahead, follow along to the steps, and get everything downloaded and installed. Once you have Wondershare Filmora 14 up and running, you're going to be greeted by this interface right here. So you're going to see a big, huge blue button that you can press if you want to start a new project. We're going to be focusing on, as mentioned, the Smart Short Clips feature, which is right here. We're going to come back to this in a second here. The Smart Short Clips is actually part of what's called the Toolbox. So if we come on over here, we're going to be greeted by the Toolbox within Wondershare Filmora 14. So you can think of this like your go-to panel of AI-powered gadgets for video editing. So for example, you have your AI video enhancers. So think of this as like giving your videos a glow up, making them look sharper and clearer, even if you started with grainy or low resolution footage. You have your AI color palette here. So this is like having a magic wand that matches your video's colors to any picture you like, making everything look really cool and professional. You also have auto reframe right here. So this one here reshapes your videos to fit whatever screen that you're looking to fit, whether it's for a phone, a tablet, or a TV. Then you have AI text to video. So just type what you want, and then voila, the AI finds and adds the right visuals for you right out of the gate here. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into this Smart Short Clips feature. So we're gonna go ahead and click it right here on the main interface, and you're gonna be asked to upload a video file here. So if you have a long form video on hand that you would like to grab and try out, I recommend you go ahead and grab that right now. I do have a video file that I'm going to drop in here. So let's go ahead and grab it. So here it is right here. This is just a podcast here. We're going to go ahead and drop it in. And we have a couple of choices that we are asked to pick here. Go ahead and choose the language. And then you get to pick the duration, how long you want your clips to be, and the theme as well. And there's also templates. So for the duration, I'm going to go with auto. I'm going to let the AI do its thing and see what it has in store for me. For the theme, I'm also going to go with auto. And then as you can see, there's a bunch of templates kind of depending on what the overall vibe is, the overall theme. So if you're doing something that's a bit more commentary or educational or whatever the case may be. So go ahead and pick your template. I'm going to actually go with the educational template here, and let's see what that has in store. And then just for the record, my clip that I uploaded was about 15 minutes, just so you're aware of that. And we're going to go ahead and click generate. So let's get here, generate. And we are generating the video. The AI is doing its thing. All right, so it is the moment of truth here. So out of that 15-minute video that we uploaded, Smart Short Clips has 9 different videos, 9 different short clips that it has generated here. So you may be asking yourself, what exactly does Smart Short Clips do in terms of all the editing? It pulls out the most engaging, what it believes is the most engaging parts of that long form, and it adds subtitles, it adds effects, it adds sound enhancements, and it even adds music depending on the overall mood and tone of your video here. So we do have, as I mentioned, 9 results here. So we have 9 videos, and so right here is the score here that it ranks the clips out of what it feels is the most engaging clips. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and export the first clip here. We're gonna see what this one's all about. We're gonna take a sneak peek at this one here. So let's go ahead and export this. You can actually go ahead and change all your settings up here depending on how you want the output to look like. We're gonna keep this all stock for now and see what happens there. And it is converting the file, so here it goes. Okay, we have our clip downloaded here, so let's take a look.
So we have like record numbers of jags. Like I think they're listed as near threatened, and we have like some of the strongest remaining jaguar populations in the world. It's incredible.
And
like
you barely see them.
We barely see them.
So that was just a sneak peek of the very first clip that it has made for me. So just wanted to show that. And there's a whole bunch of clips here that I'm going to be going through. So really curious to check them all out here, see how engaging they are. If you haven't checked out the new Filmora 14 update, which includes smart short clips, definitely recommend to go check it out. As I said, link is going to be in the description. Get started with the free trial today. Would love to see the different kind of results that you actually get from this this new feature here within Filmora 14.